Hello, everyone, and welcome back to IELTS Mastery Hub, where learning English is simple, practical, and fun. I'm Elena.
Hello, Elena. Hi, everyone. It's great to be here today.
Yes, it's so nice to see you, Tom. How are you?
I am okay, thank you. A little tired.
Oh, tired already? It's only the afternoon.
I know, I had a very busy morning. And you, Elena? How are you?
I am great. I am very, very happy today.
You are always happy, Elena. Why are you happy today?
Well, I have my favorite coffee, a big, warm coffee.
That helps. I have tea. Green tea.
Green tea is very good, too.
Yes. Well, Elena, before we start, we should ask everyone.
Oh, yes, good idea. Everyone listening, welcome. We are so happy you are here.
Yes, and if you enjoy our podcasts, please like and subscribe to IELTS Mastery Hub. Share this with your friends who are learning English too.
Yes, thank you. Okay, Tom.
Yes, Elena?
Today we are just talking, right?
Yes, this is a real English conversation. Just friends talking.
I love that. So, Mr. Tired, why are you tired?
Oh no, it's work.
Work. A long day?
Yesterday was very long.
Really? What happened?
We had a big meeting with my boss, Mr. Henderson, and the whole team.
I don't like big meetings. They are too long.
This one was 3 hours.
3 hours? Wow.
Yes, talking.
About what?
The boss wants a new report, a big report with numbers.
Numbers. I don't like numbers.
Me too. I like words, but the report is due on Friday.
Friday? That's soon.
I know, we are all very busy, and there is also a problem.
A problem?
Yes, with people, my colleagues. You know Mark.
Yes, I know Mark. He's funny.
Yes, and there is a new girl, Sarah. She is quiet and very hardworking.
Okay.
Mark talks a lot. Sarah works hard. Yesterday, Sarah looked sad.
Oh no, why?
I think Mark said something not nice. I'm not sure, but Sarah said, Mark is difficult.
That's not good.
Yes, and I sit between them.
Oh, Tom, that's hard.
I ate lunch alone today.
Alone, but you always eat with Mark.
Not today. He stayed at his desk. Sarah, too.
So quiet.
Very quiet. I don't like it.
What will you do?
I have an idea. I will buy coffee. Coffee for Sarah and coffee for Mark.
That's kind.
And maybe cookies, too.
Very smart. People love cookies.
Yes, I hope they talk again.
You're a good friend, Tom.
I just want a happy office.
And good luck with your report.
Oh, yes. So many numbers.
Okay, enough work. You said you were happy, Elena.
Yes, I have wonderful news.
Tell me.
My best friend Maria is getting married.
What? That's amazing.
Yes, I'm so excited.
When is the wedding?
Next month.
So soon.
I know, but she is very happy.
Who is she marrying?
His name is Leo. He is a doctor.
Very nice.
The wedding is in a garden.
That sounds beautiful.
Yes, but I am also stressed.
Why?
I need a dress.
Shopping.
Yes, but it's hard. I don't know what color.
Maybe blue?
I like blue, but Maria loves green.
Green in a garden is nice.
True, but my eyes are blue.
Then wear blue.
Good idea. A long blue dress.
Perfect.
But shoes.
Oh no.
I can't wear heels in the grass.
Right. You need flat shoes.
Yes, maybe silver shoes.
Nice. And a small silver bag.
Perfect. I have a plan now.
See? Talking helps.
It really does.
How did Maria meet Leo?
Funny story, at a supermarket.
Really?
Yes, she dropped apples. Leo helped her pick them up.
Like a movie.
Yes, then they had coffee.
Coffee is important.
Very important.
So, big week for you, wedding plans, and for you, report and office drama.
Yes, after Friday, I will relax. Pajamas, sofa, pizza,
What kind?
pepperoni.
Nice. I like cheese pizza.
And you?
After shopping, I will have dinner with Maria.
Where?
Luigi's, the Italian restaurant.
Oh, I love that place.
Me too.
What do you usually order at Luigi's? I always get the lasagna. Well, Elena, look at the time.
Oh, yes, time flies.
It was great talking with you, Tom.
I feel better now, not so tired.
Me too, and thank you everyone for listening.
Yes, thank you for joining IELTS Mastery Hub.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.
And we have a question for you.
What did you do yesterday? Or what will you do this weekend?
Tell us in the comments. We love reading your English.
See you next time.
Bye, Tom.
Bye, everyone.